AFOF is Artesian's venture capital fund. An investor in AFOF will get exposure to a highly diversified portfolio of early stage startups. We intend for AFOF to provide investors with the optimal strategy to pick startup winners. An investor in AFOF will get access to a very large pipeline of startup opportunities.
We partner with angel groups, accelerators, incubators and universities, and they effectively scale our analysis process. And what they effectively do is screen out what we think are the uninvestable companies. So say over a 5-year period, we end up with an investable universe of say 1,000 seed stage companies. This provides our investors with a huge pipeline of pre-screened, de-risked startup opportunities.
Investors in AFOF are usually high net worths, people who want to get involved in the startup asset class but don't have the time to actually go out and meet with every single founder. So they want to invest into deals and use our pipeline to scale their due diligence. Artesian keeps our investors updated in 3 main ways. The first one is through monthly newsletters. The second is a quarterly written report. And the third is our quarterly updates, in which we invite a panel of both startups as well as investors/corporates to actually discuss the startup ecosystem and what's going on. And our investors get the satisfaction of watching their portfolio grow over time. And we think it's very important to keep our investors engaged, happy and satisfied with their experience in the fund.
The reason I joined Artesian is that some 5 years ago, when the Sydney Angels Sidecar Fund was launched, I was one of the first investors in that fund. I run my own super fund and therefore wanted to have exposure to this asset class and knew it would be successful because I knew Jeremy Collis personally from my days at ANZ. I was very happy with my return from that fund so far, and when the opportunity was given to me to join the team here to help in fundraising, I took it with open arms.
So I joined Artesian after a 20-year career in investment banking with UBS and ANZ. I'd made a number of early stage venture capital investments and I'd also invested in the Sydney Angel Sidecar Fund. And what I found was that I couldn't possibly see enough opportunities to make my portfolio viable. So as I followed the Sydney Angel Sidecar Fund and the development of AFOF, I realised that Artesian had developed the most elegant solution to early stage venture capital. So not only did I invest, but I joined the company.
Artesian is really proud to be backing a group of really innovative entrepreneurs who have the capacity to change industries and really make an impact on the Australian economy.